My dear viewers, welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany, and today I'd like to share with you the end of the Ponytail number 6 repair project, because we can do it today. So before we give her a new body, I just wanted to show you why I decided this. I did not want to keep these arms because the fingers are missing on both ends. And she has a dent here. Somebody used a knife to cut into her breast. And I wanted to change at least the arms, but now that we have the new body here, it's easier to use just the new body. The finish of the restoration here, and now let's do it. What I have to do is to clean this body before we put the head of her on this body. So now let's start. And by the way, have a look at her curls. They are like last year when we did them. So good work, isn't it? So for the cleaning, I use a cleaning sponge. They are already prepared and they are the easiest, in my opinion, to use for vintage bodies, because you have here these decades of dirt that are really hard to get off with rubbing alcohol in some cases. You have here these traces, it's black, it's somehow black, and it's really hard to get it out of the body when you use simply rubbing alcohol. I have tried it, you have some success, but you never get out the full range of these dirt parts. So I use here my little cleaning sponge and I rub. See, that's the dirt we got out so far until now, and that's really a lot of dirt. We have here some ink, but we can get it out, it's no problem. I just have to get the right stain level for it. And then we can remove the dirt, the ink stain. And here's our body. That's much better and much cleaner than before. So now that we have cleaned here the body with our little sponge, let's rebody the head. Now the repair project is finished. We can put her bathing suite and we're done. My dear viewers, I hope you like our little restoration project. We finally finished our number 6 Ponytail from last year with a new body. I hope you liked it the way we did it. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and tell me which aspects in this repair did you like best. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye! And happy restoration.